Join me as I take on the challenge of soaring over the Grand Canyon and capturing the most incredible aerial views you've ever seen. The Grand Canyon is one of the world's most breathtaking natural wonders, a place where the sheer scale and beauty of nature leave us all in awe. This Arizona marvel stretches 277 miles long, up to 18 miles wide, and over a mile deep. Its vast expanse and intricate landscape have been shaped over millions of years, making it a fascinating subject for any adventurer or photographer. Capturing the true beauty of the Grand Canyon can be a challenge. Traditional views from the ground often fall short of conveying its grandeur. Photographs captured from the most popular viewpoints may resemble postcards, yet they often fail to capture the enormity of the canyon. You see many pictures, but they are usually static, and that doesn't give you a sense of the vastness and depth. Even with a good camera, capturing that sense of scale and majesty is difficult. The horizon limits your view when you're on the ground. The horizon restricts your view, preventing you from fully appreciating this natural wonder. You might get a glimpse of the canyon's width or its depth, but rarely both. That's where aerial photography comes in. By taking to the skies, you can reveal the Grand Canyon's breathtaking scale and intricate beauty. With various methods offering stunning visuals and unique perspectives, aerial photography and videography have advanced significantly. Helicopter tours provide an intimate view, flying low and slow over the canyon. Drones can get into tight spaces, capturing details that would be impossible to see from a helicopter. And then there are planes, which offer a broader view, soaring high above the canyon and revealing its vast expanse. Helicopters are a popular choice for aerial tours, offering a thrilling and immersive experience. You can fly right over the edge of the canyon, feeling the rush of the wind and taking in the views. Drones, on the other hand, provide a more detailed look, capturing the textures of the rock formations and the play of light on the canyon walls. Each method has its advantages, and together they provide a comprehensive view of this incredible natural wonder. The Grand Canyon's sheer scale will astound you as you fly over it. The Colorado River looks like a tiny ribbon, winding its way through the landscape. The rock layers, exposed in all their glory, tell the story of the Grand Canyon's geological history. And then there are the shadows. The shadows add depth and complexity to the scene, highlighting the contours of the land. The aerial shots that are captured are breathtaking. One moment you fly over a vast, rugged terrain, the wind rushing past you. Next, you are swooping down into a narrow valley, the canyon walls towering above. It's exhilarating and humbling, a reminder of the power and beauty of nature. Seeing the Grand Canyon from this perspective is a real privilege. That aerial adventure over the Grand Canyon is an experience you'll never forget. The sights you'll see, the thrill felt, are reminders of how important it is to appreciate nature's wonders. These are places that inspire awe and wonder, and it's up to us to preserve them for future generations. If you enjoyed this video, please share your favorite moments in the comments below. If you want more adventure, subscribe for more stunning landscapes.